collaboration between 14 members of our community. And the reason we are doing it is in order for the people that we work with to have a really hands-on experience of the actual process of renovating and making a profit. Now, buying, renovating and selling is one of the highest risk strategies, and unfortunately, it's often the strategy that the most inexperienced renovators really need to be doing to get a chunk of money to sort of take them to their next level. So by running this project and having them on the inside working along with me, I think is a really unique opportunity, and that's what we want to do. We don't just want to have courses, we want to have people getting results.
The thing that I'm loving most about it is the real-time learning. It's totally different to seeing it all online and seeing the process that you have to go through and what you should be doing. It's actually seeing Bernadette doing that scope of works and relating it back to what you're doing, and but seeing the next step and seeing the process, and also like seeing the hurdles, this silly lockdown that we're in at the moment, and how Bernadette's adapting to all of that. I mean, I think that's priceless personally.
I'm Kerry. I'm part of the class project. I live in Newcastle, so it's great that I can be on site and see what's happening, and being mentored by Bernadette, I'm learning a lot. I learnt a lot about scoping, and I'm actually doing my own renovation in tandem, so I can apply it to that renovation.
I have done a number of projects over the years by myself, but this project has been fantastic because, well, firstly, it takes a little bit of pressure off because you're sharing it with 14 other people. I'm learning so much because there is an actual proper process in place.